Everyone. Welcome to the demo of our multimodal RAG application, AlzheimerRAG, designed for specifically biomedical research use cases, focusing on the Alzheimer's disease from PubMed articles. This application incorporates the multimodal fusion techniques to integrate both textual and visual data processing by efficiently integrating and accessing the vast amount of the biomedical literature. So we integrate the fine-tuned LLMs from Llama and Lava models respectively, using a cross-modal attention fusion for information retrieval. So the user interface, as you can see here, it's a Python-based web application utilizing the Fast API and Jinja 2 templates with LangChain integration. So the Fast API is used for the API development. Jinja 2 is for the template rendering for Python, and the FaceDB is our embedding the multimodal data. It's a vector database, and the LangChain acts as the retrieval agent for the multimodal RAG system. Now let's try out different scenarios and see how the system responds. So the first question is that basically we are asking about the frameworks for diagnosing the Alzheimer's disease. As you can see, we generate a response for that, and this is a relevant table data that comes along with this particular framework question. The second question that we try to ask the system is like, we know the role of the tau protein, which is a neurodegenerative disease, Alzheimer's. So what's the role of the tau protein in the Alzheimer's research? As you can see, it generates an answer and the relevant image. So this image is extracted from one of the PubMed articles that relates to the tau protein related associated with that, and this is kind of the answer. So we have also described the different clinical scenario analysis in our paper, so we will try some of those scenarios as well in this demo. So what we are providing is a patient with a 70-year-old male that is diagnosed with the mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease 2 years ago. So he has this disease condition with the progressive memory loss. So what are the so we are asking the system what are the recommended diagnostic and the monitoring strategies. So this way it actually helps in guiding the clinician or the researcher for the managing the disease. So as you can see, this is the answer for that. So it has provided you the based on the recommended the diagnostic or the monitoring strategies for this particular disease. And the final one that we can try out is another, like the patient is on some certain kind of medication. For example, it's been on donepezil for 2 years for Alzheimer's management, and he is facing increasing difficulty on the recent events despite stable medication. So what will be the treatment? So if you ask this system, so it should be providing you with some treatment or monitoring techniques. Yeah, so as you can see here the answer. So since it's actually find out the disease root cause and then provides you with certain adjustment in the treatment with these points. So this is in brief where you can actually use this application for getting queries based on the Alzheimer's disease and the responses and its relevant images or tables generate based on the user generated questions. Thank you so much.